Right, for sixth grade math, you are finishing least common multiple. So you worked on pages 37 and 38 yesterday. If you looked at the recap video on our YouTube page, you saw the answers to that practice, and then you had homework that we were going to check together. So for sixth grade math, for least common multiple, I'd like to make you the list of all the multiples and then circle them. But for this video, I'm just going to give you the answer key, and we can do some more review tomorrow before your first quiz. So let's start off with least common multiples. Again, I'm going to share with you my answer key. So when we talk about the least common multiple of 8 and 56, the lowest number that they're going to have in common with each other is 56. For the least common multiple of 25 and 50, it's 50. For 12 and 30, it's 60. For 6 and 10, it's 30. For 16 and 24, it's 48. For 14 and 21, it's 42. For 9 and 15, it's 45. And for 5 and 11, it's 55. Now, if you feel like this was difficult for you, I would go back to the notes that we made to remind you of what a least common multiple specifically is. We have a couple more problems down here. I'm going to hold and freeze for a second so that you can look at those answers and you can check to see if you did your work correctly. This would be beneficial for you to pause the video at this time so you can go over each one of your problems. Okay, I'm not going to read every single one to you, but you have been assigned to work on the review for today. This review is going to get you ready for the quiz. If you're feeling a little anxious and you think, I don't know how I'm going to do in my first sixth grade quiz, you could do the Are You Ready, which is on page 41. And that'll give you a couple extra little practice problems for you in case you're nervous. All right, I'll have more videos for you tomorrow, and also we'll have time in class to review. You will not have any homework tonight in sixth grade, and you will not have any homework tomorrow in sixth grade. So congratulations to you.